Hi, this is Dawn Hudgins, Vice President of Service Delivery for ILTA, with some information regarding health and safety at ILTACON 2021. This year, we're very proud to be at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. And here are some things the hotel is doing to make sure you are safe while you're staying at their property. They have contactless payment-enabled devices, including tableside pay devices for restaurants, bars, and lounges. They have virtual queuing at their pools, restaurants, bars, and lounges, which will allow guests to maintain their place without physically standing in line. There are new mobile order and pay solutions that are available in several restaurants and entertainment venues, along with their pools permitting in-chair food and beverage delivery. There's also contactless QR code integration across all the properties. Mandalay Bay has a hospital-grade or better air ventilation system, which circulates up to 100% outside fresh air and supplies up to 12 air exchanges per hour. Cleaning, this is extremely important. Where applicable, MGM Resorts utilizes proven cleaning products in accordance with EPA guidelines for coronaviruses, bacteria, and other infectious pathogens. Electrostatic sprayers will be used in many of their large public spaces to apply disinfectant efficiently. Room cleaning. This is another thing to please take note of. Before check-in and after checkout, but not during your stay, Mandalay Bay will be doing a deep cleaning of the sleeping rooms. This is important to know because this means there will not be turn down services, towel pickup, or cleaning of your room unless you request this service. There is contactless check-in at Mandalay Bay with the MGM Resort app, so I highly advise you to download the app and complete your app account setup prior to arrival at Mandalay Bay to ensure a very quick contactless check-in upon arrival. Now, at ILTA, we have taken into account many things, including guidelines that have been provided to us by some larger associations who handle the medical industry, and we have integrated this for your health and safety as well. So at ILTACON, you can find the following: mandatory vaccinations for all attendees, staff, crew, and business partners. This is all. So if you are sending someone to set up your booth, to set up your demo room, if you are sending anyone that is going to step foot on our conference floor, they must be vaccinated and provide vaccination documentation. This documentation can either be submitted electronically before August 10th to vax@iltanet.org, or you can bring your vaccination information with you and show it on property prior to going through registration. Masks are mandatory at ILTACON 2021 per state of Nevada. 3-foot social distancing is recommended. Wristbands for social distancing comfort will be provided by iManage. No handshakes are recommended and no hugs are recommended. The exhibit hall will include wider aisles on the floor with booths spaced 10 feet apart. Deep cleaning throughout the entire property will be done daily. Socially distanced seating options will be provided in all venues, including all educational sessions and networking events. We have a limited touch check-in, recharge room for extended distance for eating and or working and relaxing. We have a meditation room to help aid with stress and to help you be more comfortable throughout your time at ILTACON, and there's extended distancing in there as well. We have individually packaged foods for healthy and safe choices. ILTACON attendee bags, which are provided to all conference attendees, whether you are a member, a business partner, or a non-member press. They are sponsored by Disco and contain masks provided by Time by Ping, and hand sanitizer provided by Firm Desktop. Room maximum capacities. The exhibit hall holds no max capacity based on our registration numbers and space percentage ratios. Oceanside A, which is where the general session room, company updates, our keynotes, our reception on Thursday night, that maximum capacity is 583. Educational session rooms must not exceed 250 people per room. Demo room maximum occupancy must accommodate a minimum of 3-foot social distancing between seating, tables, podiums, staging, and kiosks. All demo rooms and demo room setups are different, so these rules must apply based on your room size and setup. All attendees, business partners, press, and staff should not enter the show area if you are experiencing any flu-like symptoms. Please wash your hands often with soap for at least 20 seconds and or use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Please avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands and engage in additional responsible health and safety practices on and off of the Mandalay Bay campus. We ask that if you are feeling unwell to please stay in your room, contact an ILTA staff member if you feel you need assistance for medical treatment or testing, or if this is an emergency, please immediately contact 911. We do want you to know that the Vegas ambulance services do not accept insurance, and an ambulance ride in Vegas starts at around $100. If anything changes with the state of health, we will adjust, change, and communicate appropriately. Please view the COVID banner on the ILTACON homepage, where you can find the most up-to-date information. We've also included here the COVID Southern Nevada Health District org, which will take you to the cases so that you can take a look at where cases stand. As of the time of this presentation, which is August 4th, the 7-day rolling average is decreasing in Vegas from their 4th of July bump. Please use the provided link to be informed of the latest information. And of course, if you have any questions or concern, please direct them to me, Dawn at iltanet.org.